Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare two great ETFs, VPU with XLU. Now I'm someone who loves investing into ETFs, but more than investing I love analyzing ETFs. If you know some good ETFs that you want me to compare, I'll be really happy to make a video about them. And also if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, what are some good investment strategies, I created a course. Down below in the description you will find a link, definitely check it out. So without further ado, let's start. In a moment when we were right here, VPU versus XLU. One is Vanguard Utilities ETF, Utility Select Sector SPDR Fund by State Street Global Advisors. And what are some differences? First thing first is expense ratio. VPU is cheaper comparing to XLU, but not so much. So let's say that you would be investing $10,000. You would pay in a VPU $10 fee and $12 in XLU. Also guys, in this video I'm going to focus on backtest. I'm going to show you the dividend yield, and I'm going to also show you the fund overlap of both. Then we see the assets under management is 5 billion comparing to 12 billion. So XLU is dominating Vanguard in this regard, and average daily volume is 700, nearly 800 million. On the other hand, VPU got only 26 million. So you can see clearly here, there's like, damn. Now, number of holdings. When you check the VPU, it's 66 holdings, comparing to XLU, it's 29 holdings. So that's really interesting too to see, but let's see on the weight. Now, performance, we will get to it when I'm going to show you the comparison. It's going to be really similar. But look at this. VPU got electric utilities, multi-line utilities, water, natural gas, and also renewable energy, but not so much. On the other hand, XLU got electric utilities, multi-line, water, natural, so these are the same but doesn't have any renewable energy. And when we look on like the holdings here, we see the next era, they're really similar. Exelon, American, Sempra, Xcel Energy, but next era is 70.75. here it's only 14.89. So you can see like top 10 weighting is 55%, and here is 64%. So that's like, you can see clearly that there aren't so many differences. But so what we learned, expense ratio is higher in XLU. They got higher asset under management and average daily volume, lower number of holdings. Performance is going to be similar and less holdings. Yep. Now let's look on the fund overlap, and then we are going for backtest, okay? So VPU versus XLU, find overlap, and look at this. 43% of VPU 66 holdings are also in XLU, and 100% of XLU 28 holdings are also in VPU. And they are overlapping by weight by 86%, so they are really damn similar. And you can even see in what way they are overlapping. So all Duke Energy, Southern, Dominion Resources, Exelon Corp, American Electric Power. So they are in everything, right? Now backtest, let's see how it looks like. When we go here, and let's say we're gonna have from 2015 investing, right? And $10,000, and then we are going to cash flow contribute fixed amount. Let's say we are going to invest $200 and monthly. Tinker symbol is going to be VPU and portfolio 100%, XLU 100%, and then analyze portfolio. Now right here, you see the performance. XLU was performing better, 42,232 comparing to 42,000 nearly in VPU. But as you can see, the performance wasn't that different. So I will just recommend choosing the one which is going to give you like better option for buying, and if you have it for free or much cheaper comparing to the different month. That's what I would be focusing on. Like right now you see that this year 3 months 1.80 to 1.12, 370 to 422. It's damn similar. So this is pretty much it. Now also let's check together VPU, XLU. So we see the dividends here are really great. 3.17, 2.83, 3.23. And here also, both dividends are damn amazing here. So these numbers are good, by the way, for the dividends. Let me tell you that. They're really good. So both dividends are amazing. As you can see, 3.14 to 3.17, 2.95 to 2.83. Most of the time, XLU is overperforming VPU. And that's pretty much it. So you can see it by numbers. And yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.